Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to normalize your audio levels in Audacity, which means making sure your audio is at a consistent volume so it sounds balanced and clear. First, open your audio file in Audacity. If you just recorded something, it should already be loaded. Next, select the entire audio by pressing Ctrl+A or dragging across the waveform. Now, go to the top menu and click Effect. Normalize. You'll see a few options here. Usually, the default setting, normalizing peak amplitude to 1.0 dB, works perfectly. This means your loudest sound will be close to, but not clipping over 0 dB. Make sure the boxes for Remove DC Offset and Normalize Stereo channels independently are checked if your audio is stereo. Click OK, and Audacity will adjust the volume levels evenly. You can press play to listen and see if your audio sounds balanced. If you want, you can undo and try again with different normalization values, but most times the default is just right. Normalizing your audio is a great step before sharing or editing further, so your listeners get a clear and comfortable sound.